Okay, today we're going to be simplifying expressions, specifically linear expressions. Linear means that the exponent is 1 for everything. There's no like x squared or x cubed. That's what linear means. So basically we're going to complete some of the problems on this worksheet and then some of the problems on this worksheet. And whatever you don't complete is what you need to do for your assignment. Okay? All right, so we're going to be using distributive property and combining like terms. So first, 10x minus 8x plus 2 plus 10. So our like terms here are 10x and negative 8x, and then positive 2 and positive 10. So 10x minus 8x is 2x, and 2 plus 10 is 12, so 2x plus 12 is the answer. Next one. 3a plus 7 plus 2 times the quantity of 3 plus a. What we need to do is we need to draw arrows because we have distributive property here. So the 2 distributes to the 3 and the 2 distributes to the a. So now I'm going to rewrite the whole thing over again. 3a plus 7 plus 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times a is 2a, so plus 2a. Now we have to combine like terms. So 3a and 2a are like terms. And then 7 and 6 are like terms. So you can reorder it. 3a plus 2a plus 7 plus 6. 3a plus 2a is 5a. And then 7 plus 6 is 13. So 5a plus 13 is the answer. Next one, distributive property. The 3 distributes to the m and the 3 distributes to the negative 5. So 3 times m is 3m, and 3 times negative 5 is negative 15, plus m. The like terms here are 3m and positive m. We can reorder this as 3m plus m minus 15. Now I'm reordering right now to make it easier for you, so you put them next to each other. Typically that's a step that will wind up, you'll kind of weed out and you won't do the whole reordering process again. You'll just look at it from here and be like, okay, 3m plus m is 4m minus 15, but we're reordering right now to make it easier for you. 3m plus m is 4m, because this is 1m, remember that. 3m plus 1m is 4m, and then minus 15. So 4m minus 15 is the answer. Next one, 2s, negative 7s, and 3s are all like terms. And then negative 7, negative 8, and 10 are like terms. So we can reorder this as 2s minus 7s plus 3s plus 10 minus 8 minus 7. So now 2s minus 5s is negative 5s plus 3s, negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2s. 10 minus 8 is 2, minus 7 is negative 5. So we have negative 2s minus 5. Next, 8c minus 2c, 8c minus 2c, and then negative 4 and negative 5, positive 5, sorry. So if we reorder this, that's 8c minus 2c, negative 4 plus 5. 8c minus 2c is 6c, and negative 4 plus 5 is positive 1. Be very careful of your signs here. You need to go slow and take your time. Next, we have negative 4 plus 7z plus 3 minus 2z. Our like terms are 7z and negative 2z, and negative 4 and positive 3. So we're going to reorder this. 7z minus 2z minus 4 plus 3. I like to write my z's like this so they don't look like 2's. So 7z minus 2z is 5z. And then negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So 5z minus 1. You're gonna complete 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 on your own. And then let's do some on this worksheet. Okay, so this worksheet's slightly more complicated. We have more terms and we have some fractions, okay? But nothing you can't handle. You just gotta take your time and not be scared of the fractions. So first one, The 1/2 gets distributed to 8x minus 6 and 2x. Okay, that's the first step, drawing your arrows. 1/2 times 8. Half of 8 is 4, so 4x. So 1/2 times 8x is 4x. 1/2 times -6 is -3, because half of -6 is -3. Half of 2x is 1x, so you could just put plus x. If you want to put a 1 in front of here, you can, but you don't have to. And then we'll rewrite this part, plus 10 plus 2x. Distributive property only happens to what's in parentheses here, not to these guys. Okay, now let's look at our like terms. So 4x plus x plus 2x. Let's combine our like terms. We also have -3 and +10. You can reorder this as 4x plus x plus 2x, so put all your like terms together, and then -3 plus 10. So 4x plus x plus 2x is, so 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2 more is 7x. -3 plus 10 is +7, so 7x plus 7. Let's go to this one. Distributive property. 2 times 5a is 10a. 2 times 10 is plus 20. We have distributive property over here as well. -3 times 2a is -6a. -3 times 1 is -3. Distributive property over here. 4 times a is 4a. 4 times 5 is +20. Okay, so our like terms are 10a, -6a, and 4a. And then +20, -3, and +20. So we can reorder 10a minus 6a plus 4a, +20, -3, and +20. Okay, so 10a minus 6a is 4a, plus 4a is 8a. 20 minus 3 is 17, plus 20 is +37. So 8a plus 37. Next, distributive property. The 5 gets distributed to the 2s, +4, and the 3s, and then distributive property will happen here as well. Okay, so 5 times 2s is 10s. 5 times 4 is +20. 5 times 3s is 15s. -4 times s is -4s. -4 times +7 is -28. Let's combine like terms. We have 10s, 15s, and -4s, and then 20 and -28. We can rewrite these. So 10s plus 15s minus 4s, and then we have 20 and -28, so +20 minus 28. 10s plus 15s is 25s, minus 4s is 21s. +20 minus 28 is -8, so 21s minus 8. This one's not too bad. We'll skip that one. You can do that one on your own. You can do this one on your own. This one I think you should be able to do on your own. Let's go to this one. We have 7/3 multiplied -12m, 7/3 times -9, and 7/3 times -6m. So when you multiply this, you have to think of -12 as -12 over 1, okay? And then you could think about cross-simplifying. So basically what this is it's like 7/3 times -12 over 1, okay? And then we'll put the m in at the end. So we can cross-simplify here. 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into -12 4 times, okay? So right now we have 7 times -4 is -28m, right? negative 28, and then there's an m there. 1 times 1 is 1, so you just leave it like that. We could do the same thing here. Okay, so this is like 9 over 1. So if you cross simplify, so this would be 7/3 times negative 9 over 1. 3 goes away, becomes 1. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into negative 9 3 times. So 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. No m, just negative 21. And then if we do the same thing with this one, that would be 7/3 times negative 6 over 1. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into negative 6 2 times. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14 m. Then we have a positive 2m out here, and we have a minus 8 out here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to look at our like terms. So we have negative 28m, we have negative 14m, and we have 2m. So let's reorder these. So negative 28m minus 14m plus 2m. And then we have negative 21 and minus 8. Okay, negative 28 minus 14. So you're at negative $28, you're taking away $14 more. Remember, you add, okay? So 28 plus 14. 28 plus 10 is 38, plus 4 more is 42. So negative 42m, and then that plus 2m. So negative 42m plus 2m is negative 40m. So you have to be super careful with your negatives here, and you have to be confident with your adding and subtracting negatives, okay? Negative 21 minus 8. You're at negative 21, you're taking away 8 more, now you're at negative 29. So that's that problem. So this problem you're going to do the same way, because 4 is going to go into 8, it's going to go into 16, and it's going to go into 4, so you can do that cross-simplifying method. Let's do one more together. We could do the fraction one together. We can go back to this one and do this one together, just so you don't have too many fraction problems to do on your own. Okay, 2 times a half c, okay? So 2 times a half is 1. A half of 2 is 1, right? So that's just c. 2 times 5 is 10, so plus 10. 2 times negative 3 halves, these 2's are going to cancel out, right? So you're just left with negative 3c. 2 times a half is 1. And then we have a positive 21c over here. Now we're going to combine like terms. C, negative 3c, and 21c. C minus 3c is negative 2c, right? Because 1c minus 3c is negative 2c. Plus 21c, that would be 19c. 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay, so 19c plus 11. So you have to do this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems on this page, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems on this page. So 11 problems. Okay, have a good day.